What if I told you that in a quiet Michigan suburb, a teenager almost built a nuclear reactor in his mother's potting shed? No lab, no government facility, just coffee filters, smoke detectors, and curiosity. By the time authorities intervened, radiation levels were detectable down the street. How far would you go to earn a Boy Scout merit badge? David Charles Hahn was born in Royal Oak, Michigan, in 1976. From a young age, chemistry beckoned. By age 12, he devoured his father's college-level textbooks. A childhood gift, the Golden Book of Chemistry Experiments, became his sacred guide. Hahn's passion led to homemade fireworks, nitroglycerin synthesis from lab-grade acids, and a determined goal: earn the Atomic Energy Merit Badge, and maybe, just maybe, build a functional breeder reactor at home. By 1991, he received the Merit Badge, but he wasn't about to stop there. David extracted americium-241 from smoke detectors, thorium-232 from camping lantern mantles, radium from old clock faces, tritium from gun sights, and even uranium from pitchblende he ordered under false pretenses. Using a Bunsen burner and lithium reclaimed from nearly $1,000 worth of batteries, he purified thorium, creating the raw ingredients for his reactor. He drilled into a block of lead, arranging it as a makeshift reactor vessel and neutron shield. He constructed a neutron gun to bombard the thorium in hopes of breeding fissile isotopes. The setup wasn't hypothetical. His Geiger counter detected radiation several houses away. In August 1994, police stopped Hahn for unrelated reasons. They found a suspicious toolbox in his car. When he admitted it was radioactive, the moniker, Radioactive Boy Scout, was born. The EPA declared his mother's property, Dolph Manor, Commerce Township, a Superfund cleanup site by June 1995 and removed 39 barrels of radioactive waste. But did he truly come close to building a working reactor? Experts say no. A homemade breeder reactor of any meaningful power output requires far more precision and shielding. Hahn's work didn't produce fissionable fuel, but it did cause real contamination and danger. And for all the brilliance, Hahn's later life was troubled. He served in the Navy and Marines, struggled with mental illness, and in 2007 was arrested for stealing smoke detectors again, this time to extract more radioactive material. Eventually, on September 27, 2016, Hahn died at 39 from accidental intoxication involving alcohol, fentanyl, and diphenhydramine. David Hahn's story is a startling tale of the thin line between genius and danger. A teenager driven by curiosity, yet demonstrating how even a single individual can create a hazardous legacy. What does it tell us? That wonder needs wisdom. That extraordinary determination, without guidance, can become hazardous. And ultimately, that sometimes the greatest experiments, human ones, carry risks far beyond the laboratory. So, what would you do if your curiosity turned radioactive? Would you dare, or would you pause?